Did you know that false lash strips can be used in several different ways? Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 6 different ways that you can use a false strip lash. So if you're ready, let's begin. Before you apply lashes, make sure to curl your natural lashes and apply a coat of mascara. You do this to make sure your false lashes align with your natural lashes and they blend in. And I want to show you the difference it makes when you curl your lashes. Here's the before and here's after I curled my lashes, and you can see it makes such a big difference. And now I have that arch in my lashes, so my natural lashes will blend in with the false lashes and they'll look like one set. And to keep this arch in place and to add some volume, I'm going to be using mascara. The one that I'm using is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. When you apply mascara, make sure to wiggle the wand so the product gets into every lash hair. And now we have the arch and the volume. The first way that you can use a strip lash is, of course, to use the full strip lash. Here's the strip lash with a thick band. I'm going to list all the products in the description box right below this video, so make sure to check it out. Before I use it on my lash line, I'm going to flex it. I'm doing this so it's flexible and it attaches well to my lash line. The next step is to measure the lashes. I'm going to simply place it on my lash line without any glue. This one's a little bit longer than my natural lash line, so I'm going to cut off a little bit in the outer end. Always cut the outer end and not the inner end, and I'm going to measure it out again to make sure it fits and looks like this fits. And if it doesn't for you, you can snip off a little bit more. If you've watched me apply lashes in my previous videos, you know that I like to apply the glue on my lash line rather than using it on the lash band. And now there's several brands that have released eyeliners with glue in them. And today I'm going to be using the Swati Cosmetics Vanta eyeliner. I'm going to be applying it directly on my lash line. And I'm going to place the strip lash on this eyeliner. This method is so much more easier than using the glue directly on the lash band. The second method that I'll be showing you is the reverse lashes. For this method, lighter lashes with no lash band or a very thin, transparent lash band work best. The glue that I'm going to be using is from Tati Lashes. I'm just taking very little in the back of a brush and I'm going to just swipe it once across the edge. I'm going to wait for about 30 seconds till the lash glue gets a bit tacky. I'm going to very gently lift my natural lashes by looking in a mirror, and then I'm going to attach the strip lashes right underneath my natural lashes. This way of doing your lashes not only gives you a volumizing look, but it also looks natural because there's no lash band showing on top. Another way to get that natural look is by using individuals. I usually have single lashes just laying around, and rather than throwing them away, I cut them into smaller pieces. I'm going to squeeze out some glue, dip these individual lashes in the glue, and attach it to my natural lash line. I like to mostly use this only in sparse areas, so my natural lashes look more fuller but at the same time very natural. And these definitely look like lash extensions. You can also get a fuller lower lash line by using individuals. But for this, make sure the hair on the lashes is shorter because they have to blend in with your lower lash line. And make sure to apply mascara before you attach the lashes. Just like I did with the upper lash line, I'm going to be dipping these individual lashes in glue and I'm going to be attaching them, and I'm mostly focusing in the outer half of my lower lash line. And if you want to go for that fuller Kim Kardashian kind of a look, you can do lashes both in your upper and lower lash line. To get an elongated eye look, you can do FOXY lashes. For FOXY lashes, I like to use lashes which wing out, just like this one that I'm showing you. And I'm going to snip it into half. And all I'm going to do is use the inner half in the outer half of my natural lash line. And that automatically gives you a more elongated eye look. If you like to use the glue directly on the lash band, you might want to try half and half. In this method, I'm going to cut my lashes into equal halves and I'm going to attach each half separately on my natural lash line. If you haven't tried this method, I promise you it is a zillion times easier than using the entire lashes on your natural lash line. Rather than cutting into half, you can also cut them into 3 pieces and use the same method. That's it, my friends. Which one was your favorite method? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to watch more videos like this, let me know that as well. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and make sure to check the description box out for all the products that I used today and also for my social media links. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.